this video, you will learn how to use the Ontology DEX on Onto. Using the DEX, you can trade seed, ONT, and ONG. If you don't see seed on your token list, you will have to manually add it. On the top right of the Onto app, click on the plus sign to open the token management window. Select Add Managed Token and search for seed. Click the plus sign next to the token to add it. To open the DEX, go to the dApp section of the wallet. Click Open next to the dApp. Read and agree to the disclaimer to continue. Click on the trading pair you want to exchange. We will use the ONG SEED as an example. To sell ONG, enter the amount of ONG you wish to trade for seed. Click Sell ONG. Enter your password to continue. Note that buying ONG is the same as selling seed, and selling ONG is the same as buying seed. The same is true for all trading pairs. To buy ONG or sell seed, go to the Buy tab and enter the amount of seed you wish to trade for ONG. Click Buy ONG. Enter your password to continue. To see your trading history, go to the Order History tab. All trades are recorded here in chronological order. To find your wallet address and DEX settings, go to the Wallet tab. You can also find instructions on how to use the DEX and a legal disclaimer at the bottom of the page. If you have any questions, please contact Sesameseed on Telegram or any of our social media channels.